guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, can you see the weather? Yeah, see, I'm already sweating. The weather is so hot, it's so warm, and I just want to go out and enjoy the, a bit of sun, get some sun kissed in that, but yeah, I'm in a hurry. My taxi's here and I'm going to a park, a waterfall park. I think I've not been there before, but I'm gonna go. So I just want to quickly do my intro for you lot because I don't know if I'll be able to do it out there. So yeah, anyways guys, I'll bring you with me. Ignore my eyeglass, ignore my wig. Literally I just dumped this on my head because I don't have time to do my makeup. If I do my makeup today, then I'm just preparing to ruin my day, because without makeup I'm already sweating. Like you can see, I'm already sweating. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go, no makeup. Let me get some, I'll insert my outfit for you. This is like a two-piece set from Bullman. I've just got this and I'm gonna take my bag with me. Why is this coming off now? But yeah, basically that's it. You already know. So right, I'm gonna go. I'm feeling myself, but I'm gonna go. But yeah guys, please ignore that. Ignore my sunshade. Yeah, it's so sunny out here, so I can't take this out. But yeah, let's go guys, let's go. Right. Guys, I look like what? I don't even know. This hair, the color of my dress, everything. My nose look bad with this eyeglass, with this shade. It's making my nose look weird, but we're gonna rock with it today because the sun is getting to me. My eyes cannot take it, and these shades are the only thing keeping me well in this weather. But yeah, I'm gonna take a walk. Let me show you where I'm gonna walk to. I have to literally walk down the hill to find the den. I don't know why they would hide it. Some place I don't even know. But yeah, so I literally have to walk down this road all the way down there, and find my way. So guys, I've walked all the way up there and I'm still going. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna find our way in it. But yeah, oh, look at this cute doggy. Baby Pooh. Baby Pooh. Oh. So guys, I've been looking for this waterfall for so long now. Like, this park is so big. It's so big. So yeah, been asking people, where is it? And I finally go like the proper direction. So yeah, ignore these glasses. I know it's making my nose look weird, but do I even have a choice? Oh, right, that's the bridge there, and I'm just trying to find my way. So guys, I'm on the bridge. We're getting close to the waterfall now. Literally. Oh my god, this place looks scary. Okay. Guys, I think I've approached it. Right, guys. Right, that's it. Oh my god. Look at this cage. Oh, what is here? Guys, I'm actually scared. And then we've got here as well. This is scary. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is the oatmeal. Yeah. I'm scared. I'm gonna go. So guys, I'm gonna head home now. No, I'm gonna head to Nando's. I'll bring you up with me. I'm starving literally. Look at that view. This set in my mouth all the time. Guys, I'm sorry I'm not taking my glasses out. I just can't deal with the sun. I can't. And this glass is making my nose look weird. But yeah. Oh, not the forehead. Not the forehead. Shiny like what? I don't know. Bye, waterfall. Bye. Bye, waterfall. Guys, I've just had my starter. We got a starter on the house because what we order is gonna take like 20 minutes before it gets ready. So they offered us like a starter for free, like on the house. So I've had that. Sorry. So yeah. But you know in Nando's you have like bottomless drinks in there. That's what I ordered. I've had like two glasses already. But yeah. Hi, can I get another drink, please?
Of course.
No ice, please. No ice. Yeah, I'm getting cold. Thank you. So I've had like 2 of these cups. Now it's gonna get me another one. And yeah, I'm gonna have that. I'm getting cold because literally I'm outside. So I'm gonna have that. Guys, today has been a wonderful day. I think today is a better day because I didn't plan anything and the day has just gone better than I thought it would. So yeah. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share if you can, but please subscribe. And yeah, so guys, that's the end of my video. I've had a wonderful day. Yeah, so that's it. Literally, I didn't finish my foods. Like, I brought it back home because yeah, why not? I was so full. I told you guys, yeah, because they gave us like a free starter on the house because our meal took like 20 minutes to get ready. So they were like apologizing for that, and then decided to give us a free, you know, starter. So I had that, which in like fizzy drinks as well. I got the bottomless drink, so I was going for like, but I wasn't going, they were giving me like refills and that. So yeah, which was great. Yeah, so that's all for today. I've had a blast. Actually, it wasn't planned and the day just went smoothly, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, I'm back home and I'm just gonna freshen up and just relax because I just want to rest. I'm so full. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now. I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and, you know, comment as well. Please subscribe, keep subscribing. And yeah guys, I'm sorry I've been wearing this shade all day, but I know, like I said, it made my nose look weird, or it's making my nose look weird, but I'm feeling it for now. But yeah, since I started the vlog with the shade, I might as well end it with the shade. Or I think that's all actually. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Peace out.